Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trying and installing tape-ins for the very first time. Y'all, this is such a look. Like, why am I just trying tape-ins, you guys? But let's get into it. So the hair that I'll be using today is from Ywigs, Ywigs.com. It came with 3 bundles, 22 inches, natural black, and it also came with that hair separator and also extra tapes if you need it. So for the style, I used a bundle and a half of tape ends. So as you guys can see, my hair is already freshly washed and blow dried. And the first step in this process, you guys, is separating your hair. You have to make sure you leave enough hair out so that your hair can blend really nicely. So I pretty much left out the entire perimeter of my hair, you guys. And it was the perfect amount of leave out to make sure that everything was covered. So I installed my tape-ins in a way where I can do a side part, a middle part, and also a half up, half down. That was really the style of choice, you guys. I wanted to make sure this was gonna be half up, half down. So as you guys can see, I am separating my hair. Y'all, my parts for this were not perfect at all. I will say the installation process was not the neatest for me. For one, y'all, I did not have a mirror behind me, so I was using my sense of touch to feel where to put everything and where to part everything, which is something I definitely don't recommend. Make sure when you're doing this style, you have a mirror in front of you and a mirror behind you so that you guys can see everything that you all are doing. So these are the tape-ins up close, you guys. They come with 40 tape-ins in a pack. So it's 40 individual tape-ins in the bundle, you guys. And as you know, you need 2 tape-ins for each section. So ideally it's 20 pairs. So as you guys can see right here, I'm just peeling off the tape. It's super quick and easy. And then I am just parting my hair. So I did the first section. And then what I like to do is I like to apply the tape in, leave some hair out, then apply the tape in again. So as you guys can see, I did those tape ins already, and then I'm just gonna leave some hair out to lay on top of those tape ins, and then I'm gonna part it again just so that I can start the tape in process again. I like that I did it this way, you guys, so that I didn't have too many tape ins in my hair, because as you guys can see, by the end of this, like, I had so much hair on my head. So I just want to show you guys how I lay the tape ins. I did not lay them in any specific ways in the back. I just applied the tape ins to my head across that entire part. So I think for this section I added maybe like 5 different tape ins. And I will say, like, I do like to prep the tape ins by removing the tapes just so that I can move a lot faster. So that's a little tip for you guys. So as you guys can see, it's so easy. I'm literally just applying the tape ins to my hair. Try not to apply it too close to your scalp. You want to give your hair some breathing room so that when you flip your hair, there's no tension on your scalp or any irritations on your scalp. So once I laid the tape ins, you guys, I went ahead and I used my fingers. You can use a comb if you want to part, but for this section, it was just easier for me to use my finger, and I just parted it as thinly as possible. That is also another tip, you guys. Try not to make your parts too thick and make the hair too thick, because you do have to lay the tape-ins on the hair, right? So you got to lay them on top of one another, and you don't want the hair that's in between the 2 tape-ins to be too thick. So I have a tape-in on the underneath side, I have my hair in the middle, and then I have a tape-in on top to make kind of like the perfect sandwich. Alright guys, so as you can see, I am all done with the back section, and y'all, look how much hair this is. This is why I did not apply tape-ins to every single row. I pretty much did it every other row because the hair was just so thick. As you guys saw, I was combing it. There's nothing sliding out. The tape-ins are super secure. All right, y'all, so now we are moving on to the top section of my hair. So as you guys can see, I am doing a part on the left side of my hair because I do wear side parts on the left. And then I'm also going to go in with a middle part, just so that if I want to wear the style in a middle part, side part, up, down, like I have the versatility and the options to do so. So now you guys, I'm actually going to start applying the tape-ins to this side. As you guys can see, I parted my hair at an angle because I wanted it to be super easy to put my hair up in a ponytail for that half up, half down section. So I am applying the tape-in, as you guys can see, and then I'm making sure that is nice and secure. As you guys can see, it's not too close to my scalp, so I'm able to move it freely. And then I am applying a tape-in on top of that just to make sure it is nice and secure, you guys. So as you guys can see, it can move freely when I start to move it around. Like, there's no problems, no irritation, no tension on my scalp. And I also want to mention, y'all, this hair is really lightweight. Like, it feels like I'm wearing my own hair. Like, it's so lightweight. So I'm still being consistent with how I apply the tape-ins. I'm doing the same thing I did for the back to the front. So as you guys can see, I applied the previous tape-ins, then I'm leaving some hair out, and then I'm going to apply tape-ins to the additional row, which you're gonna see. So y'all, I am applying the tape-ins to one row, skipping one row, adding tape-ins to the next row, skipping one row, because as you guys can see, this is so much hair, especially because it's in the kinky straight style. So it just looks so big. So if I were to apply tape-ins to every single row, it would just be way too much hair on my head.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind.
Alright guys, so I am done installing the tape-in. So now I am taking down my leave out, you guys, and as you can see, like, the blend is there. It's a pretty good match for my hair, so I'm very happy with that. I'm happy I don't have to like flat iron it, because most of the tape-ins that I see online is usually like straight hair. But anyways, you guys, as you can see, the blend is there. It's a really nice blend. It looks like my hair. Like, y'all, this looks like the Glam Twins hair, you know, when their hair is like blown out. Like, I feel like this is how their hair looks. But anyways, so yeah, I'm just combing it out. As you guys can see, like, my hair is not coming out. Like, the tape-ins are secure, they are there, you guys, and it blends so well with my hair. There's no tapes peeking through or anything like that, so I'm very pleased with it. So I do want to show you guys me putting it in a little ponytail before I do the official style, which is the wand curls, which is coming later on in the video. So this was super easy to put in a ponytail. It blended really nicely. I will say after seeing this clip, I was like, I definitely want to try to grow my hair out, y'all. I really want to try to do it. So I'm gonna see if I can make that commitment to grow my hair out this year and stop cutting my hair, you guys. But anyways, so this is how it looks in a ponytail. So if you're wanting to wear your hair up to go to gym or just to have it out your face, it's something that you definitely can do. Alright y'all, so this is the official styling portion of the video, you guys. So as I said, for this tape-in install, I really wanted to keep my hair half up, half down. So I am going to do that style right now with the wand curls. So as you guys can see, I am separating my hair just so that I can separate the back from the top portion, because I'm going to do wand curls in the back coming down, and then for the top portion I want it in a ponytail, and I'm going to be doing wand curls to that ponytail as well. For this section, you guys, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to be using my Eben 24 edge tamer to just put around my edges so that I can have a sleeker look. And then I'm just gonna brush that in, put my hair in a ponytail, and get started on the wand curls. As far as the temperature of the wand, I kept it on 410 degrees, and for each curl I kept the wand on my hair for between 10 to 15 seconds. If you guys have any questions about anything pertaining to this style, just be sure to ask me down in the comment section. I'm pretty open with responding to my comments all the time, especially on the newer videos. Also check my description box for all the details on this hair. It is from Ywigs.com. It is in a natural color. It's 22 inches, and this is kinky straight as far as the style.
You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
So now that I'm done with my wand curls, you guys, I'm just separating them just a little bit. As the day progressed, the hair did fall just a little bit, and the curls were so beautiful. They weren't as tight. They were like a nice loose wand curl, which I absolutely love. I really like the hair so far, you guys. It feels good. It's nice and lightweight. The curls did hold throughout the day. I even went to the gym, you guys, with it, and I walked out with curls from the gym, you guys. My hair didn't poof up or anything like that, so I really like it. And just to give myself a more polished look, you guys, I just went ahead and just fixed up my edges with that same edge tamer that I used earlier on, you guys. But yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below any questions that you guys may have. I also have additional videos like this that are similar. I will leave them in my end screen and also above in my iCards. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.